Maggie knows. She already knows.
It's trying. I know this is not as good as Mama's milk, but that's all we got for right now. And believe it or not, it's actually trying to take it. If you could have saw this puppy 30 minutes ago, it was like totally lifeless. And I'm not saying it's going to make it, because it has to somehow try to latch on to Mama. As you can see, she just will not latch on for anything. You can see the size difference in the other puppies. At least making a little bit of effort now, trying to smell around there. Move, Maggie. Maggie, let her have a nipple, baby. Come on. It's right there, love. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I need this to happen. Oh my God. Move. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's the greatest thing. Oh, it's perfect. That's what we've been wanting to see. Look at these little tigers go at it. And look how sweet these boys and girls are being. One of the little brothers and sisters get some much needed mama milk.